Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you step-by-step process how you can easily add a work or school account on your Windows 11. So what you want to do is just simply go on the bottom on start and right click on start and click settings. Right here when you're going to be, click on accounts. And then in accounts, you want to click on email and accounts. And then you can add a work or school account. And this is pretty much how we do it. So this is how you can add a work or school account to your Windows 11. Now, if this video will be helpful, you can support and subscribe and write down below in the comments. So when other people would come here, they'll be like, oh my God, yes, it's really helpful. So, yeah, thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.